Everybody, welcome back. Basically we have created all the folders for this for this project, so we can access that by going to simply to localhost, and after that just writing e-commerce. E-commerce is basically the folder, or here you can see the main folder for this project. So simply we'll enter, and after entering, so you can see it's saying index of e-commerce. This is the parent directory or the main root directory, the e-commerce folder. Inside that we have many folders you can observe over here, admin area, customers, and things like that. But the default page for any web directory is basically the index page, index.html or index.php. So if that folder or directory finds the index file, the index.php file or index.html file inside that folder, so they automatically display that file as a default file. But we don't have yet index.php file inside this whole this main folder e-commerce. Therefore it is showing us basically all the other folders inside the main directory. So basically we need to create this is Notepad++. Now we will write our codes. So the first thing is, first we will create the index.php page, so we can work on that on the main layout. So the first thing is, first of all write doc type HTML5 extension, after that HTML, and then write head, then write the title for this page. This is my online shop. This is the title, and head will be closed. And now we'll start body from here, we'll close body over here, HTML also close. So this is the very basic structure for creating an HTML file. So I will Control S to save it, or you can click this file menu and then save. So we will save it actually in the same folder inside the C and the XAMPP, and inside the XAMPP we have htdocs, and there is basically e-commerce folder. So we'll save it in the same e-commerce folder, and this will be the index.php file. So index.php file means this is the default file for this whole directory or this whole folder. Save it. You can see over here. Now if we simply refresh this page, so there will be no folders, and this e-commerce folder will pick up that index.php page, which is basically the default page. Just I will refresh. You can see there is no folders because this has picked up the index.php page. Now you can see the title, my online shop, which we have given over here, my online shop. That's it. Now we can write something just for testing purpose. For example, in h1 tag I will say hello world, h1 close, and Control S to save, or you can save all from here. Just go to your browser and see, refresh, you see hello world. That's mean your page is working fine, and you see the result. That's mean our local host is working fine, our server is working fine, and also the XAMPP folder is working fine. So this is something that we have created the main index file for this project, and next video we will be designing it with the basically with the CSS, and then we will be adding the content as well. But we have done the very basic HTML page which is in front of you. So stay tuned till next tutorial.